are you guys doing? So today we are reviewing 4 different kinds of sponge. Let's see which one worked the best and best for your budget. I'm testing out 4 items, and the first one will be the OG Beauty Blender. And if you were trying to get this package, it's cost the equivalent of $40 at Macy's, but I was fortunate to get for $25 when they have limited deals. And next we are trying the Mary Kay Beauty Blender, and I was fortunate to receive this by Lisa, so I will link her information below. So if you're interested in purchasing any Mary Kay products, she would gladly to help. And this one by Morphe is cost of $7. And lastly, I got this. I'm already kind of used it, so I'm just going to go ahead and try this out. Which one to seem to be the best and best for your budget? Because Beauty Blender is pretty expensive. It's $20 a piece. And so if this only cost me $1 in AliExpress, I'm definitely going to choose this over Beauty Blender because it's best for my budget. So I just stamped 4 of this. And look how massive Mary Kay have grown. And for this one, yep, it's grown double size. So all of them have grown double size. I'm going to divide my face in 4 different sections. And I'm going to just label 1, 2, 3, 4, depending on the category of how expensive it is. And then we can test out from there. We are looking for how easy it blends, how easy it's applied. Also the shapes of this Beauty Blender, how easily it's going to target the edge, like where the nose is and the under the eyes, because that's very important. So as you can see, I divide my face in 4 sections. Oh wow, this looks pretty ridiculous, but oh well. So I'm using 2 different colors, and I'm gonna merge them together, and we're gonna use that to blend. This one is from Wet n Wild, and it's a golden beige. This one is Bare Minerals, and I think I'm using the colors Fort Silk 14. Let's get started. Let's see. So I'm using 1 pump of this, 1 pump of Wet n Wild, and 1 pump of the Bare Mineral. Okay, so let's go in the first shapes. And this one, I really love the colors. It's super cute, and the egg shape will be great when I target the corners. What I like to do is that I will start from the bottoms of the base where the eggs is, and then I'm gonna tap it. Tap it. It's blending flawlessly. Super easy. Worth the I don't know if it's about the worth the money, but it's $20. And so it's get the job done, and it's so pretty, you guys. Oh my god. This is hard. We're off to a very good start. Okay. So first, that is the Beauty Blender. And I'm very happy with the turnout. It blending super easy, super fine. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. Okay, now we are testing out Mary Kay. God, I did not expect the sponge to be this large, to tell you the truth. So I'm very surprised because Mary Kay have stepping up their games. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same technique of using the bottom of the base, and I definitely need more. Oh, that whenever you use a beauty blender, you waste pretty much a lot of foundations. But the turnout, you know, is absolutely amazing. So I don't know, it's your call. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so for the base of this, because it's pretty large, it's so easy to blend out my face because it's just so fast, and I really like that. That is super fast. Oh my god, I'm surprised. For targeting the under eyes, I will definitely use the tips. Let's see if this is gonna be easy. I don't like this shape for the under eyes, but it worked. I mean, it worked. If you gotta make it work, it will work. It cost $20. This cost $12. And look flawless. So what do you pick? I don't know. Well, let's continue on with our third contestant. And this is Morphe. And I add more foundation. Right now you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, you look so white with your foundation. Don't worry guys, don't worry. We're gonna add some bronze, we're gonna do some serious contours, and everything gonna look fine. Okay, so next one is the Morphe. And what I like to do is I like to use the edge instead of the bottoms. I just really like this shape, to tell you the truth. I really like this shape, especially if you're targeting your under eyes. Perfect for that. And so let's see how well you blend. Oh yay. Well, bounce it on my face. Okay. Targeting the edge where my nose is. Oh, yeah. Oh, all of them work so fast. Oh, I like that. Because I don't have time to do makeup, so I would like something that worked seriously fast, blend easily, and flawlessly. So as I mentioned, the under eyes, I don't really use this end, to tell you the truth. I usually use the edge of this and it works perfectly. And there we go. There we go. And I'm going to blend, and you see why I really like Morphe brush when it's come to attacking under eyes, because I don't like my dark circle. I don't know who anybody in the world love dark circles, but I would like it to disappear, so I'm just going to conceal. I'm just going to cover it big time, like it never exists. So right here's the Mary Kay one, and under this part, I can see it's still showing, but this is fully coverage. Okay. We are into our last and massive size of sponge that costs 68 cents to $1. I don't know. I don't remember how much I got this, you guys. I just know it costs less than $1. The finalists of this contest. Bounce it. Yes, this shapes, I really like it because of the base, that how large it is, but I don't know, it's kind of hard to work with now, in size and the shapes of it. It's really hard to judge, you guys, because all of them work pretty well the same. And whenever you are doing this technique, putting concealer under your eye to brighten your eyes, choose a concealer that even lighter than your foundations. Like 1 shade or 2 shade. I chose a 2 shade. So definitely you can see is much lighter. Oh, I like this edge so much. Versus the Beauty Blender sponge, I really like this. Way to go, Morphe. Loose powders on my face, and it's transparent extra coverage by Air Sponge. I love this product. Under my eyes and let it bake. We are baking the face, and this technique will help your makeup last longer and there's no crease under your eyes. So I'm using Mary Kay for the other side. Oh my god, it's a lot. Everything worked as supposed to. Okay, so I'm back with 4 of this. Which one would be the winner? 4 of this basically work the same. If I'm talking about the quality of it, it's basically, this is more durable than this one because this one is only cost $1. And I have only used like 1 to 2 months, and I can see it's already tearing apart, which this is not a good investment for a long run. So for Morphe brush, I did use for a pretty good 2 months, and every time when I pick up my beauty blender, this versus this, I'm always use this one, and it's not wear and tear, so this is really good. And especially this one, I love the edge, which is targeting all the edges, which is hard to get under the eyes, on the nose, and especially it's only $7. And then this one is $12. It works beautifully with this shapes of the bottoms. Is going to give me a very flawless looking skin, but the edging, targeting the edge, it was kind of harder to me. But if you're going to make it work, I'm pretty sure that for $12 you're gonna have an amazing look. But it's actually, since it's so compacted, I felt that it was collecting more of my foundation within the middle versus the outside. And for this one, because it's flattening, so all of the foundation can be squeezed out and pressed against your face. And so with 4 of this, which one would be the winner? I would choose this because of the value, of the efficiency that it provided, and also the beautiful blending techniques that I can use in daily basis without thinking much about my budget. Hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to click like and subscribe and ring the bell so you can see my next video, and I hope to see you next time. Love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.